How to create an Instagram account. Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Instagram application. Now at the bottom of your screen, tap on create new account. Now tap on sign up with email. Type your email. Tap on next. Now confirm your email. Copy your code from your Gmail account. Paste there and tap on next. Now tap on create password. Tap on not now. Select your birth date. Tap on next. Tap on next. Tap on I agree. Now tap on escape. Here's your Instagram account is created. Thank you for watching our tutorial video. I hope you like our content.